Hello and welcome. In my hands I have the Gshock GBA-950 and I'm going to show you how to align your watch hands or how to make your digital time correspond to your analog time over here if that is not the case. Currently on this watch it's set correctly, but nevertheless I'm going to show you how to do it. So get your watch to show you the standard timekeeping mode by pressing the display button until you get it to the correct time. There it is, 21:47. Now, once there, press and hold the upper left button for about 5 seconds until 12 begins to flash on this display over here. So let's go. Press and hold, 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 and there it is. Double beep, 12 is flashing, and our hands are supposed to be exactly aligned at 12 o'clock. If they are not aligned, you press the upper right one or lower right button until you get it at exactly 12 o'clock, with which is the correct position the watch hands should be. Once you're done with that, simply press the display button once and the watch will go back to the standard timekeeping mode, and your analog time or your hands should correspond to your digital time, which is written over here. And that is correct. So we have now successfully did our hand alignment. Thank you very much for watching. And if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.